Hi viewers, Noor the pharmacist in front of you. Friends, today is the second part of the video where we will discuss human psychology or life facts. Today I'll tell you one very good idea if you apply in your life, you will have a very attractive personality in front of your friends, in front of the people, in front of your family members, your colleagues, and your workplace force as well. And the topic of the video is calling people by their name. Remember, this is one of the trick that if you remember the name of people, you will be considered a very valuable person in front of in the eyes of that person, because you know that it is a human psychology that the name of the person is the most beautiful, attractive, and valued word in the front of person. You can take an example of this, that for example, if 10 people are moving somewhere and you call the name of only one person whom you know and he is in that crowd, all of a sudden that person will look at you. The remaining 9 will not even bother that what's happening, but the one with whom name you call, he will all of a sudden look at you. So this is, see, the magic of the name. See, if you remember the name, okay, I will tell you how it happens. Like for example, if you meet someone, or no, if someone meets you and he is completely totally unknown to you and he calls you, how are you, Mr. Muhammad? How are you, Mr. Ali? You will be surprised. Oh, sorry, I did not recognize. All of a sudden your attraction, you will focus the person. You say, oh, sorry, I did not recognize who you are, how you know my name, how you came to know where we met, this and that. You will start asking the questions. And in the same way, if this person, now if somebody is meeting you, hello, how are you, how's everything, how's your job, this and that. If he does not calling your name and he's unknown person to you, then you will say, yes, please, yes, how can I help you, like this. So this is the magic of calling name. So remember, try to remember the calling name. Now I'll tell you the benefits of calling the name of anybody's. For example, if you call anyone with his name, you will feel him, or he will feel you a more valued person. If you call his name, he will feel a more valued person, you, because you remember his name, you value him, you respect him. He will be more focused to you. Secondly, and he will be more delightful to you. Whenever he meets you, he will be quite happy, that because you remember his name, and he will be surprised as well. And after meeting you for some time, he will think of you that you are someone very good, and you will have a good relationship with him. For example, if you meet him some other place, he will say, yes, how are you? You will remember his name, you will call him with his name, and he will be happy. Now, what is the disadvantage? You say, no, yeah, I cannot remember the name. The disadvantage of this will be that if you meet someone 2 to 3 times and you do not remember his name, and you meet, hi, how are you? Yes, how are you? No interest, no enthusiasm, no energy in both the parties. And secondly, he may feel unhappy. And if by chance you said, oh, I forget your name, what's your name, I forgot your name, sorry, again, he will feel a little disrespectful or insulted that you do not remember his name. So which is why this is very important. Now I'll tell you one trick how to remember the name. It might be some of you will think, yeah, oh, it's very difficult for me to remember the name of person. No problem, I'll tell you 2 trick. You can remember the names very easily. The first thing, whenever you meet a person, you try to repeat his name 2 or 3 times inside your heart, and resemble the name of that person with any of the person in your friend circle, in your family, in your office. And you resemble, oh, Ahmad, yes, Ahmad is with me in my office. Oh, Ahmad is in my friend circles. Ahmad is in my family member. So this is one thing. And try to what should I say, when you are meeting him for the first time, you can call him 2 to 3 times by his name. Yes, Mr. X. Oh, yes, Mr. X. Oh, sure, Mr. X. If you remember, if you repeat 2 to 3 times this name, you will remember the name. So, friends, this was all about the life facts and human psychology for today's video. If you have any question, if you want to share your success story, or if you want to share any of your failure story, you please discuss in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned until my next video. Take very much care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.